What is up, fellow student anglers, and welcome to another thrilling episode of Student Angling. Today I'm here with my little brother Luke right here. We're out here meeting my dad. We're gonna do a little pond fishing. Gonna do something a little bit different though today. I'm gonna put the GoPro on him so we get his perspective and just kind of switch it up and see how that goes. So yeah, I don't think there's any more to say. We are going to get that hooked up on him and we will catch you on the water. Over your head, and then this one goes through your arm, right here.
This one goes through my arm?
No, that's good. Do that.
Yeah, I can see you.
Oh, yeah. All right, perfect. So, it's hooked up to him. Say hi, wave in front of it or something.
Hi.
All right, it's hooked up on him. I'm gonna grab the rods out, and we're gonna go catch some bass, so let's get after it.
Think of you, and baby, you know it's true. Everything I say from here to day, I just wanna go away.
Over to the water place, like this warmer over there. Trying to get it over by that water spring. Oh. Tee. That wouldn't have worked. Trying to get it over there, so it's because I know it's warmer probably over there. I'm trying to get it over there because it's probably warmer, I'd say, yeah, where the water is, where the water spring thing.
Yeah.
Well, there's some air bubbles right there.
Where?
Right there.
That might have been from my lure.
Oh, yeah.
Goal for today is really number one to get Luke on a fish. We went out in the winter and he actually caught a bass, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, that's just the goal of the day. I don't really care if I don't catch any fish. If I do hook a fish, I'm hoping to hand the rod over to him so he can actually get the feel of it. But I have him just throwing a little chatterbait around, which is just an easy cast and retrieve lure that these bass have really been liking this time of year. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully he gets bass, see if Dad gets one too. Yeah, we're gonna keep going, and I'll see you in the next clip. Oh, if I hook onto a fish, I want you to run over and reel it in, okay? Because I've caught a lot of fish.
Okay. It did? Okay.
They're like right there. It's if you feel a bite, stop reeling and then set the bait.
So where is it? Where?
Just right out, kind of right there.
Oh shoot, that was bad.
Yeah, that's the problem. Wind. Yeah. You have to cast it away from where it's going and let the wind push it back.
Yeah.
See how that kind of.
Whoops.
Oh. They're right there. They're right there. Keep casting right there.
Hold on. What's up, student anglers? Today we're going to fish. And I'm a pro at it. That's how I hold it.
Lie. We haven't caught any fish. I had one on the hook, tried to hand the rod over to him, and I don't know if he got it on the GoPro or not, but I tried to hand the rod over to him and he got off right then, of course. But other than that, are you having fun though?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still having fun out here. We're learning how to do some new retrieves with some new lures. I taught him how to fish a chatterbait, and then a spinnerbait as well. We might throw on a worm here just cause. But yeah, he's having fun. We're trying out the yo-yo retrieve now, which I just taught him, just to mix it up and see what happens. But yeah, that's the thing. You don't necessarily have to always catch fish when you come out and take your little brother or your sister or your friend who doesn't really know much about fishing. Sometimes just being out here is a lot of fun, and just being outside. So yeah, if we catch anything, obviously I'm gonna film that. But other than that, I will probably just see you at the outro.
I almost accidentally hooked Dad. I almost hooked Dad on accident. Me and Lauren went yesterday because we got free pizza. Because of free pizza, yeah. Caught anything?
2 or 3.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
No bites for you?
No, nothing. Anything for you? Ben got one bite and that's all.
It being 80 degrees and it's dropping down to 60 degrees still. That is going to conclude our day today. 0 bass, 0 crappie, 0 bluegill. We just didn't catch any fish. But according to Luke, we had a good time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And the best part, I told him earlier, the best part about today is that it's not even summer yet. So we have tons of time to catch tons of fish, and I'm excited to see what we can do this summer. That's going to do it. In a few episodes, I'm going to be going over some of the new rods I got, because I got a couple of good deals that I want to share with you guys. And so yeah, just look for that coming up. Other than that, I think that's going to conclude it. Yeah, I'll just see you in the next episode. As always, fish hard.
Learn more.
You're supposed to say, we'll see you in the next episode.
See you in the next episode.
All right, see you later.